it. Taste.
Taser. Get on the ground.
On the ground.
Hey, hold up, partner, hold up. Guys, hold up. 2 minutes here. I'm gonna back up for 2 more.
Stay inside.
Hey, stay side. Where is he?
Second floor.
Hey, be advised. We're gonna have him. Hey, hold up. 829, we're gonna have the suspect on 2nd floor. He's gonna have a bat. He's gonna be breaking out windows. Where is he? Where is he? Entró. 829, be advised, he made entry into the residence. He's gonna be inside. We're gonna have victims inside. Hey, what's up, Hey!
¿Dónde está?
What's up, Brian? Hey, drop the pole!
Drop it!
Drop the pole!
Drop it! Drop it! Drop it!
Stop it! Taser! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Go! Get on the ground! Find him! Put it out! Get on the ground!
¿En este? Careful with those.
Hey, drop the pole!
Drop it!
Drop the pole!
Drop it! Drop it! Drop it! Taste.
Taser! Get on the ground!
On the ground!
Go! Get on the
Get
ground!
on the ground!
Find him! Put it out! Get on the ground! Put it out! I will! I'm not doing nothing, man! What the fuck? Hey, I'm not doing shit! I'm not doing nothing! Hey, get the beanbag! Go, get the beanbag! Hey, I gotta... Hey, stop resisting! You got him, Bobby? You got his legs? You need help? You good?
Still on the line. That's when you want to meet.
Let's go. A little further. Okay. Relax. Hey, man. Relax. Yeah, goes. You got some? Yeah.
Hey, what's your name? Okay, well, what's your name?
Giovanni or Edgar?
Is there open wound or no?
You're Edgar?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, Juan.
It's not bleeding though, right?
We don't need no pressure right now.
No pressure? Okay.
Yeah, it's good. Relax. If it starts, I'll put my hand on it.
Okay.